In this video, we're going to continue talking about complex polygons. Two more examples. And here they are. These two examples, I want you to find the area of the polygon made up of rectangles, and I also want you to find perimeter. So you can go ahead and hit pause and try these on your own, and then come back and check if you're right. Okay? If you get stuck or you don't find some values, you can come back to the video and check. Okay? Let's start with this one. Notice that this polygon, if I go around the outside of the polygon, that's what the polygon is. It's shaped sort of like an upside down L. And I want to know what the area is for this whole thing, but I don't have a formula for this kind of shape. I can break up the shape into two rectangles, which is what they did for you here. And then we can find this area and this area, and then we add them together and we get the total area of the polygon. Okay, so the total area will be area 1 plus area 2. Let's work with area 1 first. Area 1 would be base times height. So let's see if we have the base. Base would be 7 inches, and the height would be 3 inches. So area 1 is equal to 7 times 3, which is 21 squared inches. That's area 1. Now let's work with area 2, which is base times height. Now area 2, I don't know what the base is, but we can figure it out. If this whole thing here measures 7, then the opposite side also measures 7. This whole thing measures 7 inches. If this piece from here to here measures 4, then this piece from here to here has to measure 3 inches. Okay, and there's the base for this piece, 3 inches. So far I have the base, which is 3. Now let's look for the height. I don't have the height. But if this piece from here to here measures 3 inches, that means that this piece also measures from here to here 3 inches, because opposite sides in a rectangle are congruent. So if the whole thing was 6 inches, like it's stated in the figure, the whole thing from here all the way to up here is 6. And I know that from here to here it's 3, then this piece must be 3 inches, because 3 and 3 makes 6. And there I have the base and the height, which is 3 times 3. So area 2 is 9 square inches. And now the total area, which is area 1 plus area 2, is equal to 21 plus 9, which is 30 square inches. There's your total area for that polygon. And now I want to find perimeter. So let's walk around the figure and add the distances I'm walking. So if I start out here and I walk up this way, I've walked up 3. And then I turn this corner and I walk across 7. That's 10 total. 3 plus 7 is 10. And then I turn this corner and I walk down a total of 6. That's 16. Then I turn here and I walk 3. That's 19. Now I come up this way. How much do I walk? Well, I walk 3, because if this piece is 3, then this one is also 3. Opposite sides are congruent. So I had 19 so far. Plus 3, that makes 22. And then I walk around over here. That makes 4. So if I lost count, 19, 22, and 4, 26. So perimeter is 26 inches. You add all the sides. Okay? And notice we did not come inside the figure when we do perimeter. We only walk outside the surrounding area of the figure. Okay, now let's do this one. In this case, this polygon has been broken up into 3 regions: area 1, area 2, and area 3. So that means that the total area will be area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. Let's work with area 1 first. That would be base times height. Let's see. As my base, I have a base of 4 and I have a height of 3. So area 1 is 4 times 3. That equals 12 squared meters. That's area 1. Pretty simple. Now let's look at area 2. For area 2, notice here, my base is 3. How about my height? I don't know what my height is, but I'm going to use the information that I have to figure out what this height is. Notice this side measures 6. This side measures 5. If I complete with a dashed line, if I complete this big rectangle like so, with this dashed line, I've completed this rectangle. I can say that I have a 6 on this side from up here all the way to down here. And since I know this piece measures 5 up to here, then this little piece here measures 1. Is that right? Yeah, it measures 1. So let me change this color to blue. And again, if I complete this rectangle with this dashed line here, this piece from here to here, that measures 1. And 1 plus 5 will give you a total of 6, which is what the whole side would measure if I include this dashed line here. Okay, so if this piece is 1, that means I can also complete with dashed lines this little rectangle here. And this side would also be 1 from here to here. Okay? Now, the whole thing measures 3. So this whole thing here measures 3. If this piece is 1, then that tells me that this little piece here has to be 2. And I found the height for area 2, which is 2. Okay? So area 2 is going to be base times height. The base is 3, and the height we just found to be 2. So area 2 is 6 squared meters. Now let's do area 3. Area 3, base times height. I have the base, which is 12. I do not have the height, which is from here to here. But I can figure it out, because if this piece from here to here is 2 and the whole thing is 5, then this has to be 3. Okay, so this would be 12 times 3. So area 3 is 36 squared meters. And there I have found my 3 areas. My total area would be 12 plus 6 plus 36, which is 54 squared meters. And there you have the total area. Now I want you to find perimeter. Perimeter, I'm going to start here. I'm going to walk up 6 meters. Then I'm going to walk across 4 meters to make 10. Then I walk down 3, that's 13. And now how much do I walk around from here to here? Let's find out. If this whole thing measures 12, and I know this piece measures 3, and this piece measures 4, that makes a total of 7. So the whole thing across is 12 minus 7. That means that this piece here is 5 meters. Okay? So let's start again. Let's start over here because I lost count. I was walking up 6, plus 4, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 5, 18, plus 2, 20, plus 3, 23, plus 5. 28 plus 12. That makes 40. 40 meters. That's your perimeter. I hope that's right. 28 and 12. Yes, 40. Okay, and there you have it. Those are your last two examples. Try these on your own. It's very important for you to try them so you can see where you're making your mistakes. Have fun with this. I hope this helps you. I'll see you in the next video.